episode of Josh's Kitchen. Today we're gonna try another Wei-Chuan product, which is their wonton. Oh my god, there's so much we could pick from. So very quickly, I'm gonna introduce them one by one, and then we're gonna try out two of them today, okay? Our bok choy and pork wonton, which is right here. Our shrimp, calamari, and pork wonton. We have our pork and Chinese spinach wonton, our Hong Kong style pork and shrimp wontons, our shrimp, Chinese celery, and pork wonton, and lastly, our pork scallop and shrimp wonton. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Today, we're lucky to try out the pork Chinese spinach wonton and the pork and shrimp wontons. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the pork Chinese spinach wonton. So this is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna dump them into this boiling water. All right, I'm just gonna pour them in. But while we're doing that, we are going to make some sauce. And then we're gonna be doing like the more popular, like spicy wonton sauces. We need 1 tablespoon garlic paste, soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, red chili oil. There you go, okay, we're gonna put that in, chili oil, 1 teaspoon vinegar, so it's gonna be right here. And we're gonna have a 1/4 spoon of sugar, sesame sauce. All right, 1/4 chili powder, 1/8 of the chili powder. Lastly, we have is our salad oil, and this is just put, a little bit. All right, we're supposed to mix this up together, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. It looks like our wonton is doing pretty well. All right, guys, we're ready to take it off. So yeah, guys, this is the wonton we've made. It smells incredible. Oh my God. All right, so next we're gonna do is gonna dump all this other sauce we have, okay? But first, we also minced up some green onion. We're gonna dump them in, as well as we have our cilantro. That is us for the pork and Chinese spinach wonton. We're gonna be moving on to the next one first, and then I'm gonna try it in the end. I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, we're back for the second recipe for our Wei-Chuan wonton series today. We're gonna be doing the pork and shrimp wonton Hong Kong style, and we're gonna make them spongy, crunchy wontons. That means we're gonna be putting batters on them, and we're gonna be frying them, okay, at 350 Fahrenheit. This is the one we're using, which is the pork and shrimp wonton, Hong Kong style. You can get them at your local store. Well, first things we gotta do, we gotta make the batter. We gotta make the batter. First of all, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Take half. Doing one more. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Next what we have is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ooh, 1 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, there you go. Here's the salt. And lastly, we just need 1 cup of ice water. This is a half cup. So 1, and then 2. Okay. All right, so we're gonna mix and match. Okay, I feel it. Once this is ready, we're gonna be opening up, once again, our Wei-Chuan wonton. Be grabbing one, and I'm gonna be bumping it in there. Try to not get a full coat. I think it's working. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's crackling. It's crackling, all right. You know, like that frying smell when you're in like a night market? It kind of smells like that now, and I just can't wait to get it. All right, guys. It's enough time. It is pretty golden brown right now, so we're gonna go ahead and dig them out, and we're gonna give it a shot, okay? All right, guys, we have finished both of our wontons today, and I'll see you in a bit for the taste test. Guys, we're finally done with both of our Wei-Chuan wonton products, yay! First things first, we're gonna try out the pork and Chinese spinach wonton. Oh, So the sauce gives it kind of a kick. Usually wonton is definitely with the soup. I might have changed it a little bit without the soup, but this is the style I'm going for right now. And it's really, really nice. What I'm gonna try is going to be our pork and shrimp wonton, is our crunchy one, the one we fried. I'm using some ketchup on them. You trying out this one right here? Wow, it like explodes. So it's like the outside is really crunchy. When you bite into the center part, it kind of like a juice just like explodes out. That's it for today. My name is Josh. Definitely check out Wei-Chuan's wonton. Try them all out. This is the pork Chinese spinach wonton, and this is going to be the pork shrimp wonton. If you get a chance, try out the other ones as well. Let us know. Yeah, you guys have a good day, all right? Take care. So I keep eating it.